Yo, this is sad, bro. This is sad, guys. Kiernan Forbes, just like that, bro.
Hello, Xposed Ashefo, and then they made it sad news and a name from South Africa. This is very sad, extremely sad report coming from South Africa that iconic rapper Kiernan Forbes, popular known as aka, has been shot and killed in Dεad, South Africa. Now, I am say, yeah, send ye nimuno, and I say, nimu to America, say, and ne any birthday, na ene aka birthday. Just say, I'm planning birthday party. Now, planning birthday party, no location, the birthday party, no. You go, Dεad, I was South Africa. So, no, you say more times, so busy of Florida, South Africa, Johannesburg, South Africa. But this time, aka, so birthday, no, birthday, no, you go, no more, I'll be say, Dεad. Yeah. Now all concern ni crew na call yeah, but the guys can hona ni friends ni team no nyina ana call yeah. My plan is say ne birthday no omo di birthday no yeah club a friend you go night club. So my planning bibia e koso ene ne ya. Na just some few hours ago no. Omo ko do on no na entutu ye e koso ni ade no. Onim say before performance ni there was so they PBB etu ni yim PBB edi. So they went to a nearby restaurant, fish restaurant, Florida ho no no. Say on any now for international modity. Now according to a report nearby, no team say nipa na time or stadium. And offense so no according to reports no posti in the current location just some minutes ago. 2 hours ago, current location one intino. I say nipa ne follow at time many who may be or after according to reports, no did no after eating, bibiom did we piano or step it out. Say I saw no pay out in the unknown person and I say right now no yen identify nipa no shooting and yen san can according to source no boni 26 bullets nebuso. Now yen share reports how Linda Ikejiki blogger what Nigeria did in 72 according to the reports no say it has been confirmed that South Africa rapper aka has passed away. The rapper who was based in Johannesburg flew into Dεad earlier today, February 10th, for his birthday party, which was scheduled to hold at Yugo nightclub, which he had advertised on his social media pages and asked fans to show up. 2 hours before he was killed, Aka had gone to fish restaurant on Florida Road with some friends and his bodyguard and posted his location on his IG. After that meal, he stepped out the restaurant and that was when he was killed shortly after 10 p.m. There are witnesses claiming someone walked up to him and shot him 6 times, and there are other reports that claim it was a drive-by shooting, that 2 cars drove by the restaurant as Aka stood outside with friends and opened fire, killing him. A friend standing with him was also killed, while his bodyguard was injured in the shooting. Next out of what reading reporter, Linda Ikeji blog the ebetu eja. Na ayawusem ato South Africa as to entertainment industry funny now onim say akade onin kofu be features, international features and ban local as well features a feature sakode na Ghana ye maimo e ho no na me kan so weni asema esi Xposed abenya de besi bia no ye de ebeberemo. These are some videos the last moment videos or post here and sana sa incident we esi entina ye catch at the phone busuafo nyina ne fans AK fans fo nyina say mama shedding our condolence, raise them our condolence. And ha anam dim besnam council na yeboa anam nimu edi ehie makra mu nyina. Bye bye. Check it out now. Catch me tonight, we at Yugo, baby. We out there.
Bride and groom, apparently that's where it's at. Fresh cut Friday, what's the hustle saying?
Check it out now. Catch me tonight, we at Hugo, baby. We out there at Hugo. Dubai, we're on the way. Mother Mania, let's go.
Apparently that's where it's at. Fresh cut Friday, what's the hustle saying?
Check it out now. Catch me tonight, we at Hugo, baby. We out there at Hugo. Dubai, we're on the way. Mother Mania, let's go.
Or cousin of man, I bought me the crowd. I bought me the crowd. I never did that.
Don't put up an edge up with the blues, you know. Bride and groom, apparently that's where it's at. Fresh cut Friday, what's the hustle saying?
Check it out now. Catch me tonight, we at Hugo, baby. We out there at Hugo. Dubai, we're on the way. Mother Mania, let's go.
Your money's in jail.
Carry a little bit of an edge up with the blues, you know. Bride and groom, apparently that's where it's at. Fresh cut Friday, what's the hustle saying?